Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. In this CoinLedger review, we'll delve into the user experience of this popular cryptocurrency tax reporting and portfolio tracking tool. Check the description for links to CoinLedger if you're interested in exploring it further. CoinLedger is specifically designed for cryptocurrency investors seeking a streamlined approach to tax reporting and portfolio management across various exchanges and wallets. It caters to both newcomers and experienced crypto traders who desire an automated and efficient method for managing their crypto taxes. One of CoinLedger's standout features is its automated transaction tracking across numerous platforms. Whether you trade on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, or utilize wallets like MetaMask or Trezor, CoinLedger seamlessly imports your transaction history and generates tax reports, eliminating manual data entry. This significant time saver minimizes the risk of errors, particularly for those with a high volume of trades. With support for over 6,000 coins and tokens, it offers extensive coverage for the vast majority of users. Another crucial feature is CoinLedger's robust tax reporting functionality. The platform supports tax reporting for several countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia, generating reports tailored to the specific tax regulations of each region. It meticulously calculates capital gains, income, and other relevant tax information, simplifying the complexities of tax season for crypto investors. Furthermore, CoinLedger integrates with widely used tax software like TurboTax and TaxAct, further streamlining the tax filing process. Beyond tax reporting, CoinLedger provides comprehensive portfolio tracking capabilities. Monitor your holdings, track gains and losses in real time, and analyze your portfolio's performance with ease. View your portfolio across all connected exchanges and wallets, providing a consolidated overview of your crypto investments in a single, convenient location. In summary, CoinLedger is an invaluable tool for any serious crypto trader, especially those dealing with intricate tax reporting requirements. Its automated tracking, detailed tax reports, and portfolio management features simplify the often daunting world of cryptocurrency taxes. If you're seeking a reliable and efficient solution for accurate crypto tax reporting, CoinLedger is definitely worth considering.